Are you on the hunt for a comprehensive course to prepare for the Google Cloud Platform Associate Certification? Welcome to TheOpsKart's GCP Associate Certification Preparation course, a program that dives deep into the intricacies of Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. In this course, we'll start with the basics and gradually build up to the more advanced topics. The journey begins with an introduction to Google Cloud Platform. You'll get familiar with the fundamentals of cloud computing and explore key services offered by GCP, such as Compute Engine, App Engine, Kubernetes Engine, and Cloud Functions. Next, we'll delve into GCP Identity and Access Management, or IAM. Here, you'll master IAM roles and permissions, learn to create and manage IAM policies, and understand service accounts and their key management in GCP. In the third module, we'll take you through GCP networking. You'll learn about virtual private cloud, subnetting, IP addressing, firewall rules, network security, and load balancing in GCP. The fourth module is all about GCP storage services. Here you'll discover the various storage options in GCP, including Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Cloud Data Store, and Cloud Bigtable. In the fifth module, we'll explore GCP compute services. You'll learn about Compute Engine for virtual machine management, App Engine for deployment and scaling, Kubernetes Engine for container orchestration, and Cloud Functions for serverless computing. The sixth module delves into GCP databases. You'll get to know GCP's managed database services, such as Cloud SQL for relational databases, Cloud Data Store for NoSQL databases, and Bigtable for highly scalable NoSQL databases. In the seventh module, we cover GCP Big Data and Machine Learning. You'll get an overview of GCP's big data services, including BigQuery and Dataflow, and explore AI and machine learning capabilities with GCP. In the eighth module, we'll discuss GCP security and compliance. You'll get to understand GCP's security features, encryption, key management, best practices, and compliance and governance frameworks. In the ninth module, you'll learn about GCP monitoring and logging using Stackdriver and how to create alerts and dashboards for effective resource management. Finally, in the 10th module, we'll explore GCP deployment and automation. You'll learn about Deployment Manager for infrastructure as code, deployment strategies, and how to implement CI/CD pipelines with GCP. With our hands-on labs and real-time projects, you'll gain practical experience that will not only prepare you for the GCP Associate Certification exam, but also equip you with the skills required to excel in real-world GCP environments. So are you ready to kickstart your journey towards becoming a certified GCP professional? Join us at TheOpsKart today.